G'day, my name's Chris Beaumont from Opal HealthCare. I'm the National Asset and Compliance Manager. I look after all our assets and compliance. So Opal HealthCare are an aged care provider. We operate in 5 states at the moment. Biggest challenges we have are staying compliant to the aged care standards. There's 2 standards that the property team are heavily involved in. The other one was contractor management that we struggled with a fair bit. No work order system, so everything was ad hoc. There was no real schedule for anything, so we wanted to bring everything in line with due dates so we could actually see what was going on across the portfolio. There was no single spot to save documents. We had multiple folders going in multiple systems. We had old paper-based systems running which cost the business thousands of dollars a year just to produce the folders. The journey was started. We had a new national property manager come on board, and we realised that there's an aged care standard for independent living units where we must have an electronic asset management system, which we never had. That got us to test the market, and FMClarity came back best. The ease of using the system. It was very user-friendly. It was the least clunky system. Really good. So our pilot we rolled out on 6 sites. We had the first and our biggest site in New South Wales. Our maintenance officer could not send an email. Within a month he was a champion user. He's still one of the best users we have. The automated work order issuing, the fact that we don't need to go in there and look at it, the system raises the preventative maintenance task, sends it to the right person, and then continues to give notifications on overdue stuff until the time that the job's closed. Saved us an unbelievable amount of time. Our maintenance officers, it's just given them back time to spend some time with the residents. One of the other key features that we found good was the communication function within FMClarity, where it took everything from multiple platforms and put it into the work order. We had transparency across the board on what was happening everywhere. I will tell you, we dug very deep into FMClarity and to all the other systems that we looked at as well before we made a decision. The workbook we asked the tenderers to fill out was very comprehensive. The explanation, the training and everything that the support team gave to us was top notch. I think now that we can log tasks and everything's real time, we seem to get to the issues quicker. I think that has a big positive impact on our residents. The FMClarity team have been great to work with. We log something, I get a response within an hour maximum. Onboarding and implementation, it was bigger than we thought it was going to be, but I think once we rolled out a hub or 2 and we knew the expectation, I think it went quite smoothly. And again, support from Dion and the implementation team was second to none. We couldn't have faulted anything. Engaging people while we were training was something we were concerned about, but I think the team also did that quite well. We kept them engaged. We had activities for them to do to get used to the system. So I think the training ran quite smooth as well. I would 100% recommend FMClarity to other organisations. I've actually had some conversations with contractors that want to come and have a conversation with FMClarity about how contractors could also use the system to run their core business, not just receive work orders. I would actually sit down with them and show them the system and show them how simple it is to use. I think that is the biggest selling point of FMClarity. The system is that user-friendly that it's not funny. Would highly recommend FMClarity to anybody.